Hurry, hurry, we're almost there. The train is almost there. Oh my God, please come on. Oh no, it's gone. Hey, don't worry. I'm sure we'll get there somehow. Look over there. What? It's a handcar. Eventually. Okay, so are you sure you've ever used one before? I have, so I put my foot down here on the pedal and just like that, it's moving, I guess. Look, there's the back of the train! Alright, I'm gonna try and get in closer, and, we're almost there. Huh, I wonder what's going on. I'm just gonna take a look outside and, I'm gonna go make a call to somebody. Hello? I think we're going the wrong way. How can you tell? We're going uphill. Oh no, shit, Sherlock. Eventually, again. Oh my God, where are we? We're on top of the canyon. How can you tell? There's the train! We gotta hurry! Caleb, we have a problem. What? Oh no. Well, it was a good thing we jumped out. Isn't that right? I said, isn't that right? Where are you? Oh no. Oh my God! Ah! Oh, my head. Where the hell am I? Whoa! Wait, what is the... Oh... He landed on the train. I gotta get to him. Oh, crap. What the hell am I supposed to do now? Hey, wait, what's that? A plane! Well, now I do have an idea. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Why is there a plane? It's me, you dunce! Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need you to hop on the plane. Hop on the wing, okay? In 3, 2, 1! Okay, I jumped on the plane. Now just fly us back to safety. Okay, I need you to get inside the plane. Okay. Okay, I'm in the plane. Okay, we're gonna come in for a rough landing in 3, 2, 1, 4! For a third time, eventually. We've been walking out here for 6 hours, and it's already nighttime. Ugh. Get up. The night wasn't such a bust. What? Well, of course it was. Well, what do you mean? Well, we were going to a hotel. We were gonna go on a vacation. There was this hotel that we were gonna visit, and it looked like a giant rose vase. Nicholas, not now. I'm too busy moaning. Yeah, but do you have time to look up? Yeah, sure. I guess I do. Okay, so what is it you want me to look